Hey guys, welcome to Digit, and this is going to be an unboxing video of the HyperX DDR4 2400MHz 4GB memory module. Now this is by HyperX, which is a brand by Kingston, and on the front of packaging you can see a little window through which you can look at the memory module itself. When we flip it around, we have a little extra information regarding some of the aspects which have been hidden by a little sticker over here. However, the model number is mentioned clearly, which happens to be HX424C15FB3/4. The /4 tells you that this is a 4GB DDR4 memory module. Then the 24 in the center tells you that it is 2400 MHz or 2400 MHz, whichever way you wish to look at it. The box is sealed by two quality seals on either side of the package, which we can remove and get the memory module out. There's only one memory module per box, as you can see. It's again found in a little plastic clamshell which comes apart quite easily. Then you can pull the memory module out. Aside from the memory module, you also find a little HyperX sticker as well as a small booklet regarding the warranty as well as the installation guide. You should always go through this because the information present is very important in case you wish to claim warranty for any defect that may arise later on. And the memory module itself is quite standard in size. It's not too tall. It has heat sinks on either side, which happens to be black in color, and there's an additional sticker on top which gives us the same information that we saw earlier, which is this happens to be a HyperX module. It's rated for 1.2 volts. It's a 2400 MHz speed memory module, and you should never remove the sticker from the memory module because it clearly states that warranty will be void if you do so. So that's it for this particular unboxing of the HyperX DDR4 2400MHz 4GB DDR4 memory module. Thank you for watching.